The EpiPen shortage has been going on for over a year now. To deal with the shortage, our prescription was changed to a generic EpiPen. The generic EpiPen auto-injectors are much smaller, so they were floating around in the name brand carriers that we had. It took me several tries to design this. I'll also be putting the directions up on my website for anyone who would like to make their own. I happen to have a yard of ripstop nylon in the house, and I cut a section off of it big enough to fit the pattern just because the fabric is so slippery. But you need 2 pieces cut out, so I just took a section, folded it in half, and pinned it. You want to position the straps on the back that's going to be outside. So if you look at the flap, it's the smooth side, not the side that's got the Velcro already sewn onto it. So to position where they're going to be, I'm going to fold this up so that the edges meet each other. I'm going to close the flap. The sides are not sewn yet. And then I'm going to put these about where I'm going to want them. I'm putting these closer to the ends. If they were in the middle, it might jog around more when the kid moves. I'm just attaching these to the top layer. I'm not putting it all through both layers. I'm just putting it through one layer. This is where I'm going to want the straps to be. Before I do anything else, I'm going to open it up again. These are attached through just that one layer. I'm going to sew these into place. Here these are, sewn into place so that the belt will tuck in here. I'm going to trim the edges now. This material is very slippery to work with, so I figure it'd just be easier to sew it down and trim as opposed to try to be all matching up everything. So now the Velcro's sewn down, the straps are sewn down, and at this point we're going to sew up the sides here by folding it out, so it's basically, this is the right side out right now. So by lifting it, this is the inside of the pouch. I'm going to start at the bottom, sew up, pivot it around on the needle, sew back down. Nice and tight, don't get jostled around, and the belt slides in right there.